Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the drift trike build. In this video, I'll be putting the seat on, putting the clutch on, making sure the motor runs perfect, linking the throttle, and that's it. Let's get to it. Now I'm going to be putting a restraint on the chain tensioner so it does not come in contact at all with the clutch. So now that I have it all put together, I'm going to take it down and cut the seat bolts to make them shorter and give it a test run. Oh man, I don't know if you could see those sparks, but I popped the chain. I may have broke it. Oh no, it's still on there. I may have bent it. I don't think it's fully off the ground. Oh, it is. So I posted a picture of my progress on my Instagram page at Grinding Garage, and one of you suggested that I have some safety gear. So I will be wearing my Grinding Garage helmet that I made. I don't know how helpful it will be in the event of a failure, though. But some safety is better than none, you know? So let's fire this bad boy up. Uh-oh. Yeah. I really hope I don't die. Here goes nothing. Alright guys, so if you didn't hear, I noisily got down the driveway, and then it popped my chain. It actually took the links apart, like it unlinked itself. I don't know if that's because of me putting the chain on poorly or not, but I am assuming that I didn't engineer the tensioner correctly. The chain tensioner, it pulls forward, so having this chain tensioner here with a big gap, it could pull it off of the. It's pulling it. I think it is pulling it off of the sprocket. All right, guys. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a chain tensioner anymore. I might just try and fit the chain tightly because the tensioner is still not cooperating, and if I don't need a tensioner, I think it'd be better not to have one because then there is no chance of the chain coming loose. But that was my problem before. That's why it didn't work, was because there was too much play. So the tighter I can get it, the less play there will be, less likely something is going to go wrong while riding.
Unfortunately guys, that'll have to be in part 3. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please leave a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe.